Hey, good morning. Welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa's not a financial planner. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. So, we're off and running. We're going to be trading live here, and Grandpa will be giving out buy and sell signals throughout the day. Remember that there is approximately a 1 minute lag over YouTube, um, maybe 30 seconds as low as 15, but you will have a lag. Some of my guys will be listening to me over the phone, so they will have instant, and hopefully shortly we'll be able to offer that to more people. And oh, before I forget, if you have a limited margin account, and I want to make you aware of this, you can buy multiple times or sell multiple times. But when you get out of that position, say you buy 10 times that 10 shares, so you have 100 shares, and you did it 10 different times, you can sell you need to sell all those at one time. So sell all 100, because if uh, you're limited to 3 day trades in a 5 day period, and if you uh, once you have your 100 shares, even though you bought them over 10 times, if you sell them all at once, it's only 1 day trade. But if you sell 50 and 50, you're gonna use up 2 day trades. If you sell 3 times, um, 33, 33, 33, whatever, you're going to use all 3 day trades. And if you do it 4 times, you're gonna go over your limit on day trades. So you've got to be real careful about that. Know what you're doing, know the rules, and that sort of thing. But yeah, you can buy or sell multiple times, but when you get out of it, get out of all of them. So, and know how many shares you got. Know what you're doing. It's very important. Okay, 3 main methods I use to trade in the near term, and they are as follows: the Heikin ASHI reverse engulfing method, trading the near term range or scalping, and trading the WICK retracement method. And that's probably the one that Grandpa actually uses more than any other. But throughout any given day, one of these three are probably the one that you should be using. And Grandpa struggles to get that right every single day. But okay, let's see. Where was I? And Grandpa thinks of it like reading a book made of candles. I enjoy the pretty candles and the story they have to tell. A different story every day. There is something special about a successful day, and you are always excited for the next day. That's so true. You know, when they say when you love your work, it's not really work. That's just an old saying. Uh, let's see, where was Grandpa? So when you get to read the next story the next day. This last winter, I became very ill. It lasted over 4 months. It got so bad I could no longer trade. There were many times that I didn't think I would see morning, but of course I did. I believe the Lord had a plan for me, and more importantly, for others. When Schwab bought TD Ameritrade, the blinking changed to the point that it was of no help in making trading decisions. So I concentrated on the tools that I had learned over the years. And most importantly, I asked the Lord for help in this endeavor. It says in God's holy word that we have not because we ask not. No one can stand against the Lord, and all good things are from the Lord. And anyway, my oldest son, he mentioned that he would like to come and learn to read the candles up here sometime, and I'm all for that. But I really don't know if I can teach anyone to really read the candles. Grandpa certainly doesn't do it perfect himself all the time. You know, I make mistakes, but I hope I can, and I pray I can, but it isn't easy. It requires focus, confidence, a belief that the Lord is with you, and understanding that what we are given is from the Lord. And as in real life, you may have a bad day, and best of all, that just brings you closer to the Lord. Today we will begin on the 5-minute chart, Heikin ASHI candles. Make sure you have Heikin ASHI candles on your chart if you're going to play with Grandpa, and on your phone. You may have lag of a minute or more until I get this set up on Zoom. Hopefully this week we'll get that done. Then 100 of you will be able to listen with under a second delay with decent internet. You may want to wait until Zoom is running before you start. Keep in mind that Grandpa is saying. Keep in mind that what Grandpa is saying about buying or selling is Grandpa's opinion based on what he sees in the candles, the candle book. And Grandpa isn't always right. I will be watching the 1 minute, 15 minute, and 30 minute, and you know, I virtually watch all of them at one time or another as we go along. But I'm watching 4 or 5 screens constantly, and while we will be trading the 5-minute chart, relax, enjoy yourself, be patient, but ready to act without hesitation. Many traders fail because they are afraid to pull the trigger. Fear leads to impulsive actions. Learn how your devices function. I will make recommendations and you can choose to follow them or not. I wish the best for all of you, and now it's like Jake told Grandma, I'm trying to focus. I'll tell you that story sometime. Jake, he told Grandma, I'm trying to focus. Grandma was working on our home in Minnesota back when we were there, and he was trying to measure and do stuff, and Grandma was just rattling away to him. And he finally turned around after about 15 minutes, and he says, I'm trying to focus. And Grandpa's trying to focus too. If you're trading with a limited margin account, okay, I covered that part. So we're if my guys are listening to this, you probably, if you want to listen to me live, you better give me a jingle, um, so that you can get on, so you can hear me instantly if you want to. I that would be nice. I hope you call. And it's after 9 o'clock already. It's 9:10. So we're going to start having fun here shortly. Tesla went up to 218 at 4:30 a.m. this morning. She jumped up. Grandpa anticipated an opening of right at 212 to 1190 to 212, and we are nowhere near that. Excuse me. However, it's not the open yet. We have 20 minutes yet for this thing to drop till then. And Grandpa is very often right about the open. Sometimes it's within minutes of the open that it comes. But sometimes Grandpa's way off also. So, but most of the time I'm right on. Uh, but that's just an indicator. It's nothing that Grandpa trades. The dominant trend is currently up. We have a buy signal, and I'll show it to you briefly. We have a buy signal in both the daily, the weekly, and I'm going to take this arrow off. We have a buy signal in the daily right here, and we have a buy signal. I don't know what else we have a buy signal in. I'm going to look at the weekly. The weekly is a reversal buy signal, but she's coming out of the chute weak here today. This candle here is only just started forming. So it's pretty much, we have no idea what this candle is going to be yet. But we have a buy signal in the weekly. And we will look at the monthly just quickly, just for the fun of it. And we have a buy signal in the monthly. Here's our trend line from over 3 years ago. And right around 221, 222 is where that line is. 222 and a half-ish. Just under, right about 223, say. So when she breaks above that, we're off to the races. Grandma will be in the money, and we'll be having fun. So the dominant trend is the short term. I'm talking short term dominant trend. Near term dominant trend is absolutely up right now. Keep in mind that September is one of the weakest months for Tesla stock overall. We're back to the 5-minute chart here. This yellow dotted line coming up is the 200 moving average. The blue dotted line is the 50 moving average. And the yellow weird line here that Grandpa's got on is the 21 moving average. Just so you know what Grandpa's got on his chart. And we currently are under a sell signal in the 1-minute chart. It's early yet. We're under a sell signal in the 5-minute chart. And let's see what else. The 15-minute chart is actually in, I believe, a sell signal currently from back when it was up at 218 at 4:30 a.m. We had 218. So and Grandpa plans on telling you where you can buy, where you can sell, and if you want to follow that, that's fine. If you don't, that's even probably smarter, and we'll see where you go. I'm gonna see if these guys are gonna call or not call. Yeah, it's gonna be a exciting day in the markets. That's a fact. We're having fun. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, we're going. Can you hear me okay, Pastor?
I can.
Oh, good. Okay. Well, I talked to Ed earlier this morning, and he is excited about today. He's down in Florida, so I suppose I'm getting bleed back on this thing.
How
Yeah,
about now? How about now?
yeah, I hear you good. Um, you just want to probably mute me out, and we'll. Can you do that or not?
Yeah, I did. I did. I muted you on the screen.
Oh, right, but I mean on the phone. Or do you want
Yeah.
to? So I can hear you.
So you can't hear me?
Right, because it comes over my deal.
Okay, let me try it.
See if we can make. If it don't work, I'll just turn the speaker off. It'll be
Okay.
nice.
I muted you. You couldn't hear me, so I'll mute you out.
Okay.
I'll mute myself out.
Right, exactly. And then you can always text me and or uh, if you got something serious you want to talk about or see or whatever, just come back on and talk to me.
Okay. No.
Okay. It's only Grandpa here.
All right.
Okay, best of everything there, Pastor Keith. It's going to be a fun day.
All right.
Uh,
Looking
did
forward to it.
did you listen to my retracement live stream?
I did.
Okay, good. Okay, well we'll go for it. See you a little bit later, and hopefully Jeff will call in. He seemed excited about today.
Okay. I'm going mute.
Okay, bye bye. Okay, so we got Pastor Keith on board. We're 10 minutes, 12 minutes to the open, so I'm hoping we get our other guys on here. And Grandpa's going to go walk around for a couple minutes. We're under a cell signal in the 5 minute and the 1 minute, and she's coming down. She's going to be all around today. I'll be back in a couple minutes. moving sideways.
Sheila had leg cramps last night.
Oh, good. Grandma's telling Grandpa stories. I'm gonna try to lay this down on. I hope you can still hear me good, Pastor Keith. Okay. So I have my price ladder up. Early on, I thought that this might be a decent opportunity to do the retracement thing right here in the 5-minute chart, starting at 2. I gotta figure this out. Hang on. Okay, are you there?
Yep. Ready to mute.
Okay, wait, don't mute yet. I gotta merge you.
Okay.
Are you still there?
Yep.
Okay, Pastor Keith, you still there? He's on mute. Pastor Keith, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm on mute, but I can hear you.
Okay, everybody can hear me, then you can go to mute.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
now all we gotta do is get Jeff to call us. But whatever, he can call in whenever he's able to. He might be in the middle of a load or who knows what. We're getting, we have a buy signal currently in 5-minute, and we have a buy signal currently in that's an awful dirty buy signal in that minute. Well, we do have a buy signal in a minute. If you consider that indecision candle there. I don't know what charts you guys are all looking at, but but it doesn't matter. We're just gonna go along with this thing here and see where we go. Keep in mind, I better hold this mic. Keep in mind that if you Grandpa's got to get a better setup. That's a real truth. Keep in mind that if you're going to trade pre-market, that you have to do GTCEXT to trade before the open. We're 6 minutes to the open, and when it's on the open, then just tab it on day trade. Make sure you have your auto send enabled so that you can either place your order if you have a computer on your chart, and if you're on your phone, remember that if you're placing orders, you've got to type in the dollar amount, exact dollar amount that you want. Make sure that you double check that you're buying or selling before you hit the send button on your phone. Grandpa's made errors on that many times. So it looks the 1 minute's giving us a retracement, but we're still in a buy signal. The 5 minutes still a buy signal. We had a high today of 218 at 4:30 a.m. So I would expect we'll probably see that again, if not more, and possibly. And we are looking for something to do here. Murphy's outside barking. She's moving sideways into the open. So far, Grandpa was wrong about the open, but I could be right within minutes. I anticipated an open of 212, but I am not always right on that. Probably 80-90% right, though. Exciting times, exciting times. Looks like this was a virtual bull flag, possibly. She's gonna get wild here. We're 4 minutes to the open. Grandpa's watching this wick here, so if we get a good sized wick, we might have some fun. Grandpa likes to look at wicks. Absolute sell signal, and well, we're going down to beat the band in the 1 minute without a good sell signal. We don't have a good sell signal in the 1 minute. Oh, let's see. Showing undecided in the 5 minute. 15 minute is giving us what looks like a possible sell signal. With the reverse engulfing method. They're having a battle already 2 minutes before they open. The war is on. The war is on in Tesla. How exciting can this get? I just love it. I love the intensity. I look at these candles and I just get excited. I ain't kidding. Try to remain calm. Try to remain calm during this ordeal. We're going to have fun. We're going to enjoy ourselves today. We're going to relax. We're going to be patient. And we're going to do well. There's always a buying opportunity. Don't worry about it. Absolutely don't worry about it. The main thing is that we get on the right side of this bus. We absolutely want to get on the right side of this bus. And we need movement. We need movement. The more movement there is, the more money we can make. And that's a fact. That 1 minute is just flying downhill currently. We're down to 2:15:40. 1 minute to the open. The excitement is building. Oh, Grandpa's having fun. I'm watching these candles. Don't you worry. We're under a sell signal in the 5 minute. And we are going straight down. Just relax. Grandpa's looking for a retracement. That's what Grandpa's looking for. I'm hoping for a retracement. I want to see where the body of this candle ends up and what we end up with for a wick underneath it. So just relax here. We're on 5 minutes to sell. In that's a short, but Grandpa's in. Yeah, and you could run with that. But Grandpa's thinking we need to take it a little easy here. She's gonna have a battle here for a little bit. This is looking pretty for Grandpa. I want to see an indecision candle here with wick on it. The bigger the better. I'm not sure what price we opened at, but it was probably around 215.80 area. Yeah, look at this indecision candle in the 5 minute so far. Let's see what time. How old is that candle? Candle's not even 2 minutes old. We know nothing about this candle yet. Oh, this might look pretty here yet. She's still too early to know. The 1 minute reversed and went sky high. We have a new high of 218.65. That's how nuts this thing is. New high of 218.65. And we came into the day here with a sell signal in the 5 minute. If you were short, you were beat up pretty good there. That's Grandpa's being patient here. This candle is not is 2.5 minutes old only. We only have a 2.5 minute old candle. This thing needs to be at least 4 minutes old in the 5 minute to even know what we got. So, and we're looking at trying to do retracement on either the top side and or the bottom side. So, and we will see where we have our wicks and make a decision. Are we going to go short or are we going to go long? Grandpa don't know yet. Grandpa don't know yet. This candle is currently 3 minutes and 20 seconds old. It's turning into a growing up candle. It's turning into a growing up candle. Grandpa's got to adjust his. So we bottomed out at 215.10. And we have a high of approximately 218.73. She just flew up. That took out a few shorts. That took out a few shorts. Okay, so I'd like this candle to finish before we start doing retracement. We got 20 seconds, 25 seconds. It's going to close in 25 seconds. Five seconds. And off to the races we go. Okay, so what we want to do at this point, if you're listening to Grandpa, you want to place a buy at 215.85, 215.85, 10. If you're doing 100, just do 10, a buy of 10. Drop down 25 shares below that and do 20. Drop down 25 shares, do another 20. Drop down 25 shares, do another 20. I say shares, I mean points. Okay, so let Grandpa start over. Place your first buy order at 215.85. Grandpa's anticipating a retracement back into this wick. Okay. The bottom of the wick is at 215.10. So you may just want to take and do a 10, drop down 25 cents, do another, then do 20, drop down another 25 cents and put in another 20, and so on until you get up to the max amount of shares that you want to do, which would be possibly 100. And we're going to look for a retracement here. Will we get it? I don't know. I think we're going to eventually get it. And other than that, be ready to, at any time you can cancel those orders, okay? If what Grandpa's seen in the 1 minute, we may be coming into a sell signal. We might want to go up here and short this thing if she's going to climb right up through the roof. We have a new high of 219.32. I'm watching for a possible reversal that we can do. We may want to do that route if she isn't going to come down and give us our retracement. Takes a lot of patience. Grandpa watches these screens a long time. Currently we are going up to 1970 and rising. This might be the day that she just goes out, keeps going up and up and up and up, and we're not in it. We will see. We will see. We can do reverse retracement up on the top side also. She's coming close to our 3-year line. This, even you can see it even in the 5 minute. This is our 3-year line, trend line that goes back. In November, it'll be 3 years old that we're coming up on and going to run into. And in this one, it's at 220.05 area. In the different time frames, it'll be at little different numbers. So we might just do the reverse engulfing on the way down here. Once this thing stabilizes. Once it stabilizes. So if you put in your stuff down here on the bottom, at this point in time, I'd remove those. Remove your buy arrows on the bottom wick here. If you put them in, I would remove them at this point in time. And now what we want to do is we're going to take right here 216.90. You want to go short 10. Go up 25 cents, short 20. 25 cents more up, short 20 more, and so on. Okay, till you get up to where you got your 100 up here. So currently we're this is the wick that we want to try to work with. So your smaller amount, you're short at 218.90, 25 cents above that. Put in your 20 short more, 25 cents above that, and so on, going up till you get what you want. And then we'll wait and see if we get a retracement back up here. I'm anticipating that we will. However, I could be totally wrong, but just hang with it. When it works, it's wonderful. So, and it can happen in a heartbeat. So you want to have your orders. Oh no, my phone fell. Hang on a second. Where'd that phone go? Sorry about that, guys. My phone fell down through the side of the chair, and I had to move the whole chair to get it out. What a nightmare. Okay, so what happened? Anything yet? Okay, Grandpa's giving advice. If you guys get any orders filled, let me know. At least text me or something. Wow. Hang on, I gotta move my chair back. Okay, Grandpa fell out of his chair, but I'm okay. I'm not injured too badly. Okay, so I got to get a handle on where we're at here in my brain after falling out of the chair. Oh man. Okay, so she's coming down like a rock, which is a good thing because what goes down. This goofy phone did it again. I'm gonna have to get a better system, I can tell you that. Hey, I know what I'll do. All right, can you guys hear me good now? I got it in my pocket so it doesn't fall off my lap. I hope that works better. There, now I'm getting automated. Okay, so, yeah, I should have maybe left you in your long positions down here, possibly, with the WICK retracement. Okay, so right now, remove your cells up on the top side. We're going to watch this bottom side run here. And currently we haven't bought yet. We might wish we had though. 5 minutes holds this candle. It's just started. This candle just started forming. We don't even know what color it's going to be yet. 1 minute. I'm seeing signs of movement going the other way. Be ready. Get ready to buy. Get ready to buy some. Not yet. Just get ready. She's going down, and the low is 214.50 and the high is 219.95. She's gonna be a wild day in Tesla. Okay. I'm watching the 1 minute. I'm watching. She's coming down. Made a new low, 213.75. It's gonna probably go down and visit Grandpa's 212. Just hang in there. Hang in there. We're gonna have fun here when we go back up. This could be a good day for anybody that just wants to go long when we get done with this thing. Hang in there. She's not done yet. And you know, if you see something that you want to go with, that's Grandpa. Don't get hurt feelings. Believe me, I like to err on. Grandpa likes to err on the side of caution. You got to always remember that we are playing against a supercomputer. We have a new low of 213.50 on our way to possibly 212 where Grandpa thought we were going to open. Too early to know yet. We still are we have a sell signal in the 1 minute, the 15 minute, and the 5 minute. Well, we truthfully don't have a clean sell signal in the 5 minute at all. So this is, Grandpa's thinking this is going to be a bear flag. Grandpa's thinking this is going to be a possibly a bear flag going down, and the trend is currently up. I think we're going to go back up, but that's only Grandpa's humble opinion. I just don't know how low we're going to go. 213.50 might be our bottom for right now. I don't know yet. And this candle is still only well, it's just about finished out. She's just about finished out. And we have a reversal. Wait, not yet. Do we have a buy signal in 1 minute? Nope. Nope, it changed. We do not. Yep, maybe. Nope. Yep. Nope. She's changing back and forth. We have indecision. So she's still coming down. Relax. Grandpa's watching the 1 minute chart. We get a buy signal in that 1 minute chart, and we'll start doing the retracement method is what I have in mind. Go, where you place your orders going down the trail here, but we have the 1 minute still a sell signal, so we're not bottomed out yet. We're not bottomed out yet. Just let it come to you. Be patient. Grandpa would rather miss trades than do the wrong trade. Low is 213.50 and the high is 219.90. That's pretty wild for today. It's always fun times in Tesla. Yeah, I don't know. Jeff never called in. He must. He was trying to get a load down there. She's struggling. She's struggling. Still a cell signal in the 1 minute. Still cell in the 5. We're looking we're looking to reverse, and we're looking to reverse where we have good fills. Is what we really want to do. We want to get some good fills. You're going to have to type them in if we do the retracement thing. And you know, right now 213.50 looks like a beautiful place to have your long in, but in an hour from now it might be a miserable place to have a long. So we're just relax here a little bit. We're waiting. We are waiting. I wonder, hey, Pastor Keith, if you get a handle on how much lag we got, or I don't know if you can or not. Just keep an eye on it. You can let me know later. You know, if we got a 1 minute or a 30-second lag or whatever it is. It'll sure be nice when I get that Zoom on. Then I can have 100 guys on Zoom and not have to monkey with this phone. Okay. New low at 213.15. Boy, I'm glad we didn't buy at 213.50. She's coming down, coming down. We still have a sell in the well, we're still the 1 minute and the 5 minute. This 5 minute is not a sell signal, so it's not absolutely not a clean sell signal. And truthfully, we don't have one in the 1 minute either. We do in the 15 minute. We have a sell signal, a clean one in the reverse engulfing. New low at 212.85. It's trying to get to where Grandpa thought it was supposed to open at, 212. Wonder why. I don't know. Grandpa calculates, that's why. But doesn't mean it's going to go there today. Grandpa's wrong today. I thought we were going to open around 212, and we did not. Not in any way, shape, or form. We're heading straight down. Hopefully, if you did anything, you made money, and if you haven't placed a buy or sell order yet, that's wonderful, because Grandpa wouldn't have done nothing yet. I'm watching. I'm waiting for a buy signal in the 1 minute is what I'm doing, and I ain't got one. And then if we get one, then we'll place our buys on this 5 minute chart that Grandpa's looking at. right here. How low will she go? New low of 212.85. That's what we got rocking and rolling. 212.80, just between 212.80 and 212.85. Okay, we might be close. Not yet. That 1 minute is. She's not done going down yet. I don't think it could go a little more. I want to buy long today. That's what Grandpa is hoping to do. That is what Grandpa's hoping to do. Yeah, she went right up just about to Grandpa's white line up here, this 3-year trend line. Just before it got to it, it turned tail and ran away. It was scared. But Grandpa thinks we're going to come back up and try to break this line again, very possibly today. So that's quite a jump up. If we can get on this bus at a decent point in time and go long, I think we got real good shot at it, trying to get through it. It wants to get through this line. The bull's got to break above it. Grandma's got shares up there. She owns. You know it's going to go there eventually. Yipper. Okay. Man, that's just, we actually have a buy signal in the 1 minute. It's not pretty, but it's a buy. Okay, so here, we, 213.50, might as well put in, I don't know, that's too high. I would say put in a buy for 10 at 213.25. Another buy at 213 for 20. Put in another buy at 212.75 for 20. Another buy for 20 at 212.50. And another one down at 212.25 in anticipation. Because we had a buy signal, you know, it's switching back down. It's got to do that to fill your stuff. So so I think I started at 213.25. If you bought, you've got 213.25, 212, 213. 212.75, 212.50, and 212.25. Sound about right? That's where you bought. If you bought, I don't know if you bought or not. So 213.25. You should have had a buy-in at 213.25 for 10, 20 at 213, 20 at 212.75, 20 at 212.50, and 30 at 212.25 waiting. And we have a low of 212.55, so if you manage to do that, you've probably got some shares going long right now. just leave them on there for now. If you got them in there, leave them there. Give them a chance to fill. This thing will probably go up and down for a while. We're currently under a buy signal in the 1 minute, so you want to have a few shares. Don't chase it. Whatever you do not chase it. Don't chase this bus. You're playing against a supercomputer that's smarter than Grandpa, and Grandpa likes to surround himself with intelligent people, and this supercomputer is very smart. So, I like to buy in increments. That's what Grandpa likes to do. I like to buy in increments, but you need to sell them. I think you should sell them all when you sell. When you finally sell, so did you guys get any fills? Come back on here for a second with me and let me know. Anybody get any fills? Pastor Keith, Ed, Moses, anybody get any fills? Hello? I don't know what I got going on with this phone.
We can hear you.
Okay, did you get any fills?
Yeah, I'm 213 something, 75.
Okay. Well, the first one should have been at 213.25, I thought. Or did I say that?
It's probably what you said, but that's not what I got.
Well, you got to.
You
You typed them in, right?
Yeah, but it's been a struggle. I didn't have internet for quite a while, so I just got back on here.
Okay.
But I got in at 213.75.
Hang on a second, Ed. Jeff, you there?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Hang on.
I got.
Okay, is everybody here? Jeff, you're here?
Yeah, I've been listening.
Okay, good. Are you long?
Yeah, 40 shares.
Okay, should be 213.25, 213. Type them in. 212.75, 212.50, 212.25 is what Grandpa's got. So 10 at 213.25, 20 at 213, 20 at 212.75, 20 at 212.50, 30 at 212.25, and you still have room for another 10, which if you get all those filled, you should have 110. And so right now you have what? How many, Jeff? 40?
40, yeah.
Okay, good job. Just relax. Making money with 40 is better than losing money. Remember, when you sell all, however many shares you have, make sure you sell them all. Okay, you guys. Ed, you good?
Yep, I'm good. Go on mute.
Pastor Keith, you good? He's good. Pastor Keith is wonderful. Okay, you guys mute, and hopefully I won't drop my phone again. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm going to stick that in my pocket so it don't fall on the floor. Hope I have the speaker up. I do. Okay. So, we will see what we get. She should... What Grandpa anticipates now is she's moving sideways in the 1 minute. I think we're going to move sideways back and forth. Here's your 213.50 at the bottom here, and here you got your WICK coming down. 212.51 is the low, and we tried for 212.50, and we did not get it. So that could be interesting. At this point in the 5 minute, will she, or did we get it? 212.49. Maybe we did get that 212.50. So your overall average should be your overall average, if you did the 213.25 long to 212.25, should be right at 212. And if you did the 30 on, well, you haven't got the bottom yet. That's the problem. We haven't got that bottom one. If we get the bottom one, your overall average is going to be right around 212.75. But currently, we have a reversal buy signal in the 5 minute, and we have a buy signal in the 1 minute. She's going up. And hopefully everybody is long currently. Don't chase it. Just whatever you got down here, keep it and look to make your money. Okay? Don't chase it. Grandpa thinks they're going to probably come up and try to fight through our line up here. But if you're around the 213 average and you get your $4, sell them babies in a heartbeat. That's that's what Grandpa thinks. So, yeah, looks good. Well, for sure, I know we got two guys in long. Not sure what their average is or what they got going, but don't chase this bus. You've got your orders down below. Let it come to you. This thing can move sideways the rest of the day, or it can move sideways for an hour or so, and at 11:30 head straight to the moon. So just be patient. Be patient. And you can pick your selling point right now if you wanna pick a place to sell up here, and put in, say you have just 40 shares or 200 shares or whatever you got, and just in case there's a spike, probably around 218.75 area, 218.70 might be a good spot to take your profit. I'm looking for where Grandpa might take his profit if he was going to take it. And I think it could run up $10, $12. Nobody knows. But if you want to know you have profit, which is often very nice to do, because we can always play the game again once we get through the first game, and you have your beautiful profit. I'm thinking that if Grandpa was had his average around 213 area, average 213.50, whatever. I'm thinking 218.70 is where I would probably sell all of them, and I would sell all of them. 218.70. You can do whatever you want. I'm just giving you my opinion, what Grandpa would most likely do. And what does Grandpa usually do? Grandpa usually sells early. My son will tell you that. a million times I've told him Grandpa sold too early. And I tend to do that because Grandpa's extremely cautious. Extremely cautious. To the extreme, I'd rather not trade than make a bad trade. She's coming back down a little bit, up and down and all around. We're still under a buy signal in the 1 minute. We're under a buy signal in the 5 minute. And if you got on board down here some, that's great. Don't, if you don't have your 100 shares going long here, don't feel bad about that at all. You might get those 100 shares if you got your buys in still down here at the bottom at 212.25. You might get that quicker than you think. And then you might get scared besides that when it goes to 210. So just relax. You can make money with 30, 40 shares. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Whatever we get, we're happy with. All good things are from the Lord. That's the way it is. That's a fact. That is so true. That is true. 216.15 is the current price. Yeah. We're having fun. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute. We do our buying in the 5 minute based on the wicks, and away we go. And she went down to 212.50. I hope you guys snag some at 212.50. I really do. If you did, you're looking pretty. It's going to be fun to hear what averages my guys got later today. Current price is 215.70. You're in the green. You're in the green. We're getting a reversal signal in the 1 minute. She's coming down a little bit. Nothing to worry about. We're hoping to buy. We want it to fall. We want to get our shares. I mean, my word, we want to see 212.25. We want to see 212 so we all get our fills. And, Grandpa did say it was going to open at 212, and it sure didn't. Grandpa was wrong. Grandpa doesn't know everything. If you don't believe me, you can ask Grandma. She'll tell you. Grandpa don't know everything, But my grandbabies think I do. They're prejudiced. We had fun yesterday. We went over to Pastor's, and Grandma and Grandpa played with the grandkids. We had them all in the pickup, and Virgil was flying a drone that Grandma gave him for his birthday. But it was injured. Only 3 of the propellers were, 4 propellers, and only 3 of them were working. Still a buy signal again in the 1 minute. We had a bear flag in the 1 minute, but she's going up, 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 up. 5 minutes, looking pretty. We're heading up. You're making money. Relax, be patient. Yeah, I think 218.70 I would try for. Maybe might have to back her down to be confident. 218.25 area. Reason being is sometimes it won't come back quite up. If she starts doing the downward progression thing here, 218.25 area might be where you want your sell, take your profits, and relax. If you guys take your profits, let me know so I can start looking for the next opportunity for you. Well, I'll be looking for an opportunity all the time, but right now we're going up and we're looking for a reversal going down. But that don't mean we're not going to go up here yet. She's going to run like an ocean wave up and down here for a while. Possibly. Or she might just go to the moon. You don't know. She might just go to the moon. Okay, so 216.25 is the current price. Our guys should be up about approximately $3 right now, all of them. And if you want to take your $3 profit and you got some shares, Grandpa's not gonna be upset with you at all. If you want to take your $3 profit and wait again for a little bit, we're getting a reversal in the 1 minute. So if you're up pretty good, and you want to take your profit. That's handy dandy. You guys are in the green. I know you're in the green. You're in the green, or you can just wait here. Grandpa's thinking this bus ain't done running in the 5 minute. We had an indecision candle in that. We're getting indecision candles in the 1 minute. We're basically moving sideways back and forth in about a 30-cent area right now. That's what we're doing. Okay, so we're moving sideways in the 1 minute with indecisions. We're still green, as green can be in the 5 minute. And we're going to have a green candle here. We just started another green candle. This candle is only 15, 20 seconds old. It's a baby candle. Okay, Grandpa's going to run silent here for a few minutes, and I will return. I have to heat my coffee up. So just relax, be patient. Think about where you want to sell those shares, you guys. She's going up. 217's coming. I'll be right back. so Grandpa's getting back to the computer. It's going up, up, up. You guys should be golden. You ought to be making money. Don't be making money. Okay, Grandpa's back from his. Oh, hang on. I forgot to get my coffee cup. I'll be right back. Oh, man. I forgot to get my coffee. We're going straight up. Hope you got some warm positions. Okay, I got my coffee. I'll tell you, this short-time memory loss is terrible, and especially if you're listening to a guy that's got short-term memory loss, and then you guys want to trade shares. You're braver than I am. Okay, Grandpa's finally got his coffee. What are we up to? Wait a second, I gotta take a drink. Boy, that's good coffee. Ooh. Went out and fed the crows and the ravens. I gotta adjust my chart here. We're up to 218.40. Grandpa thought that around 218.70 might be a good place to possibly take profit. 218.70, Grandpa thought might be a good place to take profit. However, it might be a good place to take profit at 219.70. Any profit is a good profit, okay? 218.70 might be a good place. If you got yours at 218.70, you probably filled. You did fill. If you have yours, if you sold your long positions, bottom back at 218.70, you're probably out of the game right now, and that's just fine. You know, this thing can go up and then come back down again, and we can play the game again, which we will. Okay, so I'm going to try to figure out my phone here. Okay. Okay, so I got my three guys. Are they all gone? Are you guys still with me? Are you guys still on with? Okay, you're here. Are you in or out of your trade?
I got out.
Okay, did you make a profit?
I did.
Great. Okay, so we're going to look for another way to make a profit. Okay.
I'm still here. I'm out 215.75. It was like $2 or something, $2 or $3. I'm doing some paperwork looking for low, but I'm just waiting for the next signal.
Okay.
I'm going mute.
Okay, Jeff, are you still in?
Going mute.
Yep. Okay. Jeff, are you there? Are you still with me? You got to go off of mute in order to talk to me if you're there. Let me know if you're still in the game or not in the game.
Yeah, I think I just sold.
What'd you get?
Just let me check here. Oh, guys, we make me. I hate that. Like, switch to.
Did you make a profit? Look at your filled orders.
I gotta log in again.
Bad internet or what?
Positions, orders. Yeah, I sold 40 shares at 218.22.
Perfect. So you made a profit. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to start looking for another opportunity, okay? And
174.40 I made, Alan.
good job. On only 40 shares. But it could have, that's excellent. All three of you guys made a profit. So the retracement worked for us, and now we're looking for our next opportunity. So go mute and keep listening, okay? Have fun. All right, did you get a load, Jeff?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Okay, see you later. Don't forget to mute, Jeff. Okay? Okay, so all three of my guys have made a profit. They're happy, and it's tough for two of them because they're on their phones. They're booking loads and trying to drive a semi and listen to Grandpa at the same time. Now that's quite a trick. And Pastor Keith made a profit. That is good. Just relax. Rome wasn't built in a day. We're looking for another opportunity here. Currently, we have a sell signal under the 1 minute, but I want to see this thing stabilize here for a little bit. Grandpa's reading the candles, and it could run down like a. We don't have a sell signal yet in this 5 minute, and I'm not necessarily going to wait for one. I'm borderline on wanting to go short at 218.35 and do the retracement up, going short, but at this point in time, I'm not exactly positive yet. I'm torn as to what I would do. I would most likely probably do it. So if you want to do a short at okay, we're ready to do it here. You want a short at 218.35.10. Just my opinion, okay. 218.35 short at 10, short 10, and 25 cents above that, short 20, 25 cents above that, short 20 more, and so on. Okay? So that's our latest plan. And that's at you might not get them, but you might get them. 218.35, you want to short. Go short at 218.35. Type your number in. Don't just let it give you a rotten fill. 218.35, and then above that would be 218. So much easier with adding. She's coming down. She's coming down. We might not get these. We might not get this run. But we might. We might get a retracement up there. So short at 218.35, then 25 cents above that. 218.60. And then again at 218.85, you want to have a short. And then the last one at 219.10 short, or another one at 219.10, and the last one at 219.35. So you're 218.35 on the bottom side for 10, and you're going short, and 219.35 is what we're hoping it'll go up to on the high side, and we're doing the retracement thing. Right now we have an indecision candle at the 5 minute. We're just about done with this indecision candle. It's undecided. We have a sell signal in the 1 minute, but that can change here in a heartbeat and come up and give you your little fills. Be patient. Don't chase this thing. If you want to go broke, chase it. Do not chase it. By chasing it, I mean don't just go wherever they're at and give them what they want. Current price is 216.25. My guys all got some money. Everett is booking in the middle of booking a load. Looks like we're going to probably have a sell signal in the 5 minute. That's fine. We'll let her come down. If we don't get our stuff up at the top here going short, we'll very likely get an opportunity on the bottom side going up. So just relax. Be ready to remove your orders. You can put them all in. So currently you should have a sell at 218.35, 218.60, 218.85, 219.10, and 219.35 going short on the top side. And none of you should have filled yet. Going short. But you might yet. But we'll back out of this bus. If this thing just keeps coming down, we'll start looking for going long, and we'll delete our short positions up above. You gotta focus. You gotta pay attention. You gotta have patience. Grandpa's gotta drink some coffee. Is this fun or what? Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, Grandpa's gotta get I gotta get a better setup. I can't be falling out of my chair and dropping my phone. Had more excitement than I care. We have a sell signal in the 5 minute. Okay, we currently have a buy signal in the 1 minute, so she's coming back up for you. She's coming back up. We're wanting to short at 218.35. Do not chase it. If it don't give it to you, don't worry about it. You rather miss a trade than get in, and this thing could run up to 227 a day. So we want to short up here, and we want to make our $100 or $200 dollar, I should say $1 or $2, and get out of Dodge. With this bus could start running sideways on us. So far we're looking fairly pretty. Got a buy in the 1 minute. We have a sell in the 5 minute. We have a buy in the 15 minute. But that don't mean buy, or that don't mean sell. We're reading the candles, what we're doing. Yeah, she came up to Grandpa's trend line and she just turned right around and turned tail and ran away from Grandpa's trend line. And 219.35, if you're looking at Grandpa's screen, is right about there. So we want to get buying in this wick. We want to be doing our buying in 218.93 is right there. 218.35 is right there. That's what we're looking for. We want to buy in this area right here. Well, we don't want to buy. We want to short. Okay, so we got the 1 minute's coming back down, but it looks like it's going to be a bear flag. It's not a sell signal. We're still under a buy signal in the 1 minute. We're under a sell signal. Well, truthfully, oh man, what are we in this 5 minute? This indecision could give us, if this is a red candle, we could be under a sell in the 5 because of that indecision there. And that's what it looks like the case is. So we're 5 minutes is sell signal currently. And we're still under, we don't have a clean sell signal in the 1 minute. Although it's going down, down, down. We don't get our fills up here. Relax. We're looking for opportunity. You should have all your short positions still in up above in anticipation of getting up here and hopefully filling them so we can make a couple dollars. Okay. That's all I know about that. And we are on the way. We are on the way. Current price is 216.70. She's moving sideways in that 1 minute chart. She's absolutely just moving sideways in every chart. But we have a buy signal in the 15 minute yet. We have indecision. Oh, she's coming down. We have a sell signal in the 5 minute. She's dipping a little bit. Hope you guys can hear me in my pocket. Crap has got to get a better setup. I can't be falling out of my chair like that. It's bad for the neighborhood. Scares people. Okay. Yeah, Everett, he got in this, had to do his load stuff, and so he just bailed on his shares, but you know, he picked up a couple bucks, so. Yipper. Yeah, everybody's in the green today so far, and we want to keep it that way. We want to stay in the green. Right now, you're trying to short up above at 218.35, 218.60, 218.85, 219.10, and 219.35. That's where you want to be short, but you ain't got it yet, and you might not get it. We might just have to delete them, but not yet. Not yet. Just it's too early. It's too early. We ain't seen no reason to do nothing at this point. We are waiting. 10:43 at 10:45. It's always an important time of day. Why, I don't know. Right around 10:30, 10:45, we usually move sideways. That's a whole different game. We're not in that game yet. We're not in that game yet. Yeah, the three main things that Grandpa likes to do in trading is the Heikin ASHI reverse engulfing method. That's where you have a big candle followed by a body of the next one fits into it in green, and off you go the races, and vice versa. And then you have the trading the near-term range, because there's further out ranges, and that's for guys that want to trade every 2-3 days type of deal, or weekly. They're further out yet. And then you have the near-term range, and that's scalping. That's scalping when you get in a sideways market. You just try to pick up 50 or 75 cents, just going back and forth, back and forth. And then you have what we're doing today, somewhat, what we did so far today, one time, is trading the WICK, the retracement method. And that's really probably the one that Grandpa uses more than any other, simply because Grandpa likes to be very cautious in his trading. And does it pan out every single time? Sometimes do they give Grandpa a spanking? Oh yeah, once in a while, but not too often. And you need to be able to take a loss once in a while. Just don't blow your account up. Whatever you do, don't get crazy and blow your account up. So, if you see something and you feel confident that you know what you're doing and want to trade, Grandpa's just as happy as a pig in mud as long as you're making money. I'm only here to give you my thoughts and opinions and possible places where you might be able to do fairly well. She's coming down in a big way. Okay, these shorts up on the top, if you put them in, if you went and put that 218.35 through 219.35 in, I think at this point in time, just remove them. Go back to ground zero and go back to nothing. And we're waiting for an opportunity. Are you there? Somebody there visiting with Grandpa? Hello?
I'm here.
Okay. I've got my phone, getting my phone out of my pocket. Okay, we lost Edward. He's doing a load. But I still got you and Jeff. Did you short past her, or are you still out?
No, I just canceled all those like you asked.
Okay, good. I hope Jeff canceled them too. Yeah, currently we're just gonna wait here and look for another opportunity to go up. Um, that's what Grandpa's thinking. So be ready, or you watching your candles, right?
Yes.
She's the 1 minute's coming down like a rock, and you know, all we got was a bull flag in that. But we did have a reversal buy signal, and we're running without even a real sell signal in that 1 minute. But we do have a sell signal in the 5, but it's on an indecision candle, so she's looking good. And we currently have a sell signal in the 15 minute, so she's coming down. But be patient. Be patient. We'll snag the bottom. We'll figure it out hopefully here. Okay.
All right.
Okay. See you in a little bit. Grandpa's gonna put you back in his pocket. Hey, when I was outside, could you hear me?
Yes.
When I was out feeding the crows?
Yes.
Okay, Ed's coming back on. I'm gonna put him on. Okay. Ed, you there?
Yep, I got disconnected, but I did cancel my short orders at the 218.
Okay, yeah. Get out.
I don't have any orders, and I'm just waiting for the next signal here.
Right, we're looking to go long here when the time arises. So,
Sounds good. I'll go on mute and just follow along.
yeah, and just manually enter the numbers, Ed. That's the best.
Yeah,
When
we're doing it now. It's a learning process, so
absolutely.
I'm happy I'm doing paper money.
Yeah, well but you are up, right?
Yeah, I'm up. I was, but they give you 2 accounts with the paper money, and I was up in my IRA account.
Oh yeah, always make sure you're on the right account before you start trading the day.
You're right, I was on the wrong account.
Yep.
But we did make money, but it was in
Wrong.
a different account.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, that's okay. So anyway, regardless, and Grandpa's done all those errors. That's the way it is. Okay, I got to watch what we're doing. We might want to go long here real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll go mute.
Yep. Okay, I'm seeing a potential buy in the 1 minute. If so, we're going to start going long shortly, possibly. Get ready. Get ready. Nope, we're not buying yet. Relax. We did not get the buy signal in the 1 minute. We need a buy signal in the 1 minute, and we need a real buy signal. That was indecision, and then a red candle. So that's why we have to watch those candles till they're formed, till we know for sure what they're going to do. And truthfully, that 1 minute can change it even at the 50-second spot. In those last 10 seconds, it can change in a heartbeat to fake you out. So we want to be cautious. We're looking to buy, but we don't know where yet. Probably real close to where we bought before. Maybe. She might come down and do that 212 thing for us yet. We bottomed out at 212.50. She might come down and she might come down and do the 212. This thing could go to 210. See, we got a high of 219.90 area. Be nothing for this thing to go down to 209.90. That's $10. $10 in Tesla on a high volume, high moving day. Today should be a good day for trading. 1 minute still a sell signal. We have a sell signal in the 15-minute. We have a sell signal in the 5-minute. Have respect for the supercomputer you are playing against. Have great respect for it. $214.50 is the current price. $214.50. Start getting interested around 213.5, possibly, but we don't have no signals yet. This 200 moving average is at 213.5 right now. The 200 moving average should act as resistance or support, I should say. See these 3 wicks right here? She went just a little through that 200 moving average and she reversed. The top side is being stopped by Grandpa's 3-year trend line. And this time we might catch a few more on the bottom side. Who knows? Might catch a few, might not catch any. I ain't doing too good at sending you short today, but that might be okay. I'd rather miss a trade than do the wrong trade. Whatever you do, you don't want to get in necessarily in the middle. You wanna try to get out at towards the top of the trend and range and get in towards the bottom of the range. But looks like we've got real decent movement today, which is a good thing. I'm looking for a buy signal in the 1 minute chart. We're on the 5-minute chart. Grandpa's looking at that 1 minute chart all the time. Oh, see, what time is it? 30 seconds into the 1 minute candle. 30 seconds into this candle. We may have a possible buy signal. It's still indecision in the 1 minute. May have a possible buy signal in the 1 minute. If we do, we're gonna start potentially putting in some buy orders. I would have liked to seen it go down another $1 first. We did not get a buy signal in the 1 minute. We're still going down. We're still short. I'd like to see it drop at least another $1 before that 1 minute gives us that buy signal. I just don't feel real comfortable at this price. I don't like this price. It's a little high up for Grandpa to want to buy. I don't like buying high up. So I'm hoping she continues to come down. We're at 214.30. Bouncing around. Still under sell in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute. Still under sell. She's coming down. She's coming down. Grandpa's going to check a few other charts here. 30-minute is just a mess. absolute mess. I don't even have can't hardly comprehend it. I'll look at the hourly. The hourly is a sell signal. It's an absolute sell signal in the hourly. And that's a strong chart. This thing is coming down. The 4 hour is still a buy signal, but we have real strong signs of reversal to the downside. We want to get down there and buy that dip, but we need to have patience. We need some patience here. I'm looking through my other charts as we go along. We're still under a buy signal in the daily. I'm going to go back to the 15-minute. We're under a sell signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15-minute. We're looking for an opportunity to go long. That's what we're doing. We're looking for an opportunity to go long, and we're not there yet. We're waiting for the 1 minute to give us a buy signal, and then we will do our thing. And once you get used to our thing, which is trading the WICK retracement method. Trading the WICK. Oh yeah. Grandpa loves trading the WICK. I really do. I even like to trade the WICK if there ain't a WICK. There's always a WICK. See the WICK here? That's a WICK. Goes down to 212.50. That's where Grandpa wants to potentially. She could blow right by that. We're not gonna let them get away with that. We might get to buy a few shares at 210 or 209 today, and make $1 or $2. Well, it's on its way down to 190 or 200 or 150. 101, don't talk about 101, Grandpa. You're scaring Pastor Keith. 101? By the time it gets to 101, everybody is so scared and terrified that they don't even buy shares. I've seen it, been there, done it. Okay, we're coming up on Grandpa's 200 moving average here at 213.50. Right now the price is 214.70, but it dipped down there, just about touched it. We have a green candle coming in the 1 minute. We have another green candle, but I believe it's going to be a bull flag. Don't panic. Don't jump on the bandwagon yet. Do not jump on that bandwagon. We don't have a clean buy signal in that 1 minute. Will it always give us one? No. We have a sell signal in the 15. Be patient. Be patient. We have a sell signal in this 5 minute. And I think we're getting a bull flag in the 1 minute. We've got 2 green candles in the 1 minute. It is not a buy signal. I repeat, the 1 minute does not have a buy signal. Relax. Be patient. Enjoy yourself. Whoa, man, we're having fun. Hey, Jeff always likes, you can't buy excitement like this. He's always saying that to me. Yeah, that's a fact. Current price is 214.50. Looks like the 1 minute might be turning and going down again, which I anticipated as probably what was going to be the case, but one never knows. You just don't know. We're looking for a buy signal. We have no buy signal in that 1 minute. I don't care if it goes up $10. It's not a buy signal. We don't have a buy signal in the 5 minute, and we don't have a buy signal in the 15 minute. We're still looking for a place to buy, and this ain't it. Current price 214.50. She's just moving sideways. Currently, for a little bit, we've got 4 green arrows in 1 minute, and it's not a buy signal. I believe it's possibly going to be a bull flag, but I don't know for sure. She's hanging in there. This 5 minutes giving signs of possible reversal coming here, but too early to know in the 5 minute, that's for sure. We don't know yet. 214.80, 214.70, 214.65. Current price is 214.60. This is a baby candle in the 5 minute. It's only 15 seconds old, and it's green. They love to fake you out any way they can. Now, if this is a green, that would be a buy signal. But it doesn't mean it needs to go very far. It's possible that this 213.50 is our new low of the day type of deal area. This wick right here might be where we want to try do our buying. It's very possible. It's very possible that this wick might be where we want to do our buying. From here down, which would be 214.35 and on down. How old is this candle? Minute and a half. We don't know what color it's going to be. We're probably just going to go sideways here. Very likely. We might turn to a range. We might turn to range and move sideways and be really careful. For 11:30 area, we've got to get our true direction here yet, and we ain't got it. We ain't got it. 215.25. She's going up. Looks like we're going to probably have a buy signal in the 5 minute, a clean one. Very likely. C7. This thing's almost 2.5 minutes. We don't know yet. We do not know yet. We do not know yet if it's going to be even a green candle. We don't know. We do not have a clean buy signal, and that's a dirty shame. If we would have had a clean buy signal in that 1 minute, Grandpa would have jumped all over this bus. But I'm not going to do it without the proper signals. I don't care. The supercomputer is too good at faking people out. And Grandpa's not perfect, but I know a buy signal when I see one, and I know a sell signal when I see one, and we ain't got it. Okay, how is this candle in the 5 minute? We're still under a sell in the 15 minute. Absolute sell. Help if I could see. It's almost 4 minutes into this candle. Where we don't even know the true color yet. This candle could end up being red yet. You don't know even the color yet. It looks like, okay, we're right at 1 minute, right 4 minutes into it. She's sick. She's getting pushed back down. Indecision at best. Sign of weakness to the top with the big wick to the top. Sideways movement at best. We might want to think about doing range trading. At this point, 11:09 is the time, Eastern time. 5 seconds, we're going to get a new candle. We did not get our buy signal in the 5 minute, and we are going straight down in the 1 minute because we never did have a buy signal. It was a bull flag. Absolute bull flag. We're going down. We're looking for an opportunity to go long, and we need to be patient. We need to be patient. Grandpa's trying to figure out if we should be trading the range. Okay. That's what Grandpa's trying to figure out right now. If we should, we might have an hour or two of sideways where you can get 75 cents going up and 75 cents going down type of deal, but it's too early to tell. Right now, we're just going down. We're still in a 5 minute sell signal, and we're still in a sell signal from way up top on the 1 minute act. And truthfully, we had one big bull flag. We had a bull flag of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles with no buy signal. Man, they're nasty. We got an indecision and a red candle coming here. We don't even know what color this candle's going to be yet, for sure. It's not even a minute. It's almost 2 minutes. Somebody on the phone? Hello? Somebody went off mute. Don't matter. Be patient. We're looking for an opportunity to go long. That's what we want. It's probably going to be right around this 213.60, 213.50 area, possibly. The low is 212.50. That would be nice. Oh, we're getting a reversal in the 1 minute. If we get a buy signal there, we're going to want to start functioning here with the WICK. Grandpa's watching it. I got to look at the time. Looks like we're going to get a buy signal possibly in the 1 minute, and we did. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute. So, what you want to do, is 214.25 214.25 by 10, if that's what you like. 214 by 20. 213.75 by 20. 213.50 by 20. So 214.25, 10. Got it? And you want to go long. So 214.25, long 10, 214. You can do whatever number you want. Grandpa's only making suggestions. Okay, 214.50 by long. 214.25. Oh, what am I doing? I'm sorry. 214.25, 214 by long, 213.75, 213.50, and 213.25. Should have the biggest one. So, I don't know what happened with my phone. Something happened. Are you guys still with me? I think everybody's still with me. Yep, they're still there. Okay, so I think I still got them all there. All right, so what we're trying to do right now is we're going long at 214.25, 214, 213.75, 213.50, and 213.25. And whatever you do, don't use your last 10 that you have or whatever. Don't buy that one at 213. Save that one for because we've already reversed. We had our buy signal in the 1 minute, and we are getting one major bear flag in the 1 minute right now. We're getting the bear flag in the 1 minute, and we're still under a sell signal in this 5 minute. So we're playing the 1 minute and the 5 minute combined. Grandpa does it all the time. Usually works. Okay. So currently, if you guys bought in at 214.25, 214, you've got some fills already, because we went down to 213.72. So you should have got. You should have some long positions right now. Wait, be patient. Do not chase this bus. She's coming down yet. We are under one major bear flag in the 1 minute, the way it looks to Grandpa. We had a buy signal, a legitimate buy signal in the 1 minute, and she's giving us red candles now. She's still fighting it out with our line at the 213.50 area. We're at 213.80 actual price. You're looking to buy going up. You know, and Grandpa says 25-cent increments. You can make it 30 cents, or you can, sometimes when Grandpa's doing it, I do 50 cents. I'll go from 214.25 to 213.75, and then start doing 25-cent increments. Or sometimes Grandpa feels like doing 50-cent increments. Depends on how solid I feel about it. And sometimes Grandpa's wrong. That's a fact. So we will see. We will see. She's currently 213.50. 213.50 should be filling. Yep. So if you're buying, you got some at 213.50. You might want to move that 213.25 down to 213. Looking at what this thing is doing. Matter of fact, Grandpa would move the 213.25 to 212.75 if you can hear me. I would, because we're still on a sell in this 5 minute. And that 1 minute's coming straight down. You're getting your fills. I'd rather have less going up than have it keep, because it has the potential to keep running. We're under a sell signal in the 15 minute. We're under a sell in 5 minute, but we are actually under a buy in the 1 minute with a whole ton of candles going. We didn't get a good signal, put it that way. We did not get a reversal signal going down in the 1 minute. And I can't make them do the right thing. All I can do is look at what I see. So you should have 213.50 filled, 213.75, 214 and 214.25 all filled. So currently you probably got an average around 214 long. You might be in the red a little bit, but it's not a problem. Relax. Rome wasn't built in a day. She's gonna go one way or the other. If you got a little gunpowder left, well, you should have. You still should have the 213.25. And truthfully, like I said, I would move that to 212.75 just to be safer. It'll give you a much better average. If you end up getting your 100 shares with the 30 at the 212.75, 30 shares there. If you did the 10, 20, 20, 20 deal and then 30 on the last one, and you get that one at 212.75, you'll be very happy. On the other hand, if you don't, what's our low here so far? 213.23. So you may have gotten your if you didn't move it, 213.21. You guys are probably all in long right now, very possibly. And we are getting green candles in the 1 minute. Got an indecision and a green candle starting out. She's inching back up. You guys should have positions going long. Everybody ought to be going long right now. And hopefully it goes long, but I don't think she's done yet. Okay, I want to say something right here. I'm anticipating very likely sideways trade. So if you get up $1.50 right now currently from what your average is, look at what your average fill price is. If it's 214 or whatever it is, You get up around 215, 215 and a half. I would anticipate you may want to bail out, take your profit, take your dollar. There's nothing wrong with that, because we're coming up on 11:30, and this thing could just get nasty one way or the other at 11:30 area time frame. So you know, expect the unexpected. So far, support at the 200 moving average is somewhat holding, but we are absolutely in a sell signal in the 5 minute and the 15 minute. We have a actual buy signal in the 1 minute, and I'll show you why if you're watching Pastor Keith. Well, I can't show you, but the indecision candle next to the red one can be considered a red just as well as a green because it's indecision. And then you have the green candle. I know Pastor Keith is probably watching that 1 minute chart and the 5 minute at the same time, just like Grandpa. So we're looking good. We should start inching up if that 1 minute keeps going. We still are under a sell in the 5 minute. We're looking for I'll tell you what, this thing is sideways. Starting to want to do its thing, moving sideways. Okay, I'm going to take this phone out of my pocket for a second and try to talk to these guys. I'm curious, I'm dying of curiosity. Got to figure out how to run it. Okay. Jeff's on hold. Why, I don't know. He's probably doing something. Okay, so Ed and Pastor Keith, are you both long? And what? Talk to me for a second. Ed, can you talk, Ed and Pastor Keith? Are you both long? You got?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm all in.
You're all in. What average?
213.62.
That's pretty good average. 213.62 long.
Yeah, and I'm trying to get ready to sell them.
Okay. Yeah. Well, however many shares you got, sell them all at once. Take it.
Right.
Take it. 213.62.
Yeah, I was up for a second there for a little bit.
Yeah. You'll be up again eventually.
Yeah, it's coming back. Yeah, there I'm up, but now I'm down.
Yeah. Well, we have a sell signal in the 1 minute right now, and we're still under a sell signal. And save a little gunpowder in case it goes down to 212. To buy a few more going up.
Sure.
That'll
Yeah,
improve
I'm
it.
happy I'm practicing here with the paper money because I'm not efficient at it yet.
Yeah, doing your trades.
Right. I did really good buying this time at the numbers.
Yeah, well, that's good. No, you're going to do a lot better. It's so much easier on the computer, Evan. It's mind-boggling.
Do it on that, on the tutorial there.
Yeah. So.
Let's see. I want to make 50 cents. What would that be?
Everett, you should. You might at least make 70 cents.
70 cents. Okay.
Yeah. Add 70 cents to it, or 77 cents. That's biblical,
Okay, we'll do it.
The Lord always honors that. So, but
Do it.
yeah, you're good for $1. What you said? 213.60 something.
214.70 would be.
214.70 is your number.
Yeah.
That-
Alan, where do you find out what your average is?
Click positions on your phone.
Yeah.
Okay, and scroll it to the right. Scroll your finger to the left, so you can look to the right, and it'll give you your average.
Okay, I'm going on mute. I gotta keep doing load stuff.
Okay,
Scroll to the right. Positions.
go to positions and up on the screen. Scroll your finger to the left, and look to the right as you're moving along. You can scroll back and forth, and it'll give you all kinds of information, and it'll.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
So what's your average?
Average. 214.03.
Going along?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a terrible average.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Yeah. Did you get some at 213.50?
Just a minute.
It's down there right now. 213.45.
Let's go with this. See, I got 213.78, 214.02, 214.11.
So you're not typing in your buys, are you?
Yeah.
You
214.21.
okay?
I started doing it right away when it said. So
Right, but you don't have any. Well, whatever. Oh, okay. So anyway, you're long, and you can buy some more as it dips down, right?
oh yeah.
Yeah. So anytime you want to get a few more, because it's moving straight sideways.
So do you think I'm gonna get my 212.96?
It's very possible. It's very possible.
Should I leave that one?
What?
Should I leave it?
Well, sure. That's a good number. That's right near 213. I was saying 212.75 for a while. We've yet to get the two. I don't think we got the 213.25 yet. I'm not sure. Let me look. Boy, we came close. I think we might have hit the 213.25. That was the original bottom of where we were doing it. But I better get off here. Keep an eye on what you're doing. Mute me, and we'll talk later. Figure out where you want to sell them all when you sell them. When you get a profit, get out of Dodge. Okay? I'm anticipating sideways movement here shortly. Okay? Bye-bye. So I got them all three. They're all three back. Yeah, it's pretty wild to be truck driving and trading all at the same time. So we're moving absolutely straight sideways. The bottom side appears to be 213.25. So so far, and let me. Top side is around 213.77 ish. More like, well, 214. Can we hit that 214? No, 214. I got to look at a different chart. Got to get one of them to work. Yeah, just under the 215, I think we could do a retracement back up to there. So we shall see. 213.95. Our guys should be in. Actually, they 214. We should be climbing into the money here. 214.20. She's coming up. Where's we still haven't got a clean buy signal in this 5 minute yet. We are under a buy signal in the 1 minute again. She's going up, up, up. We're still under a sell signal in the 15 minute, but it's showing signs of reversal, possibly, but it's too early. It's only that candle is only 4 minutes old, so we don't know yet. But we are reversing upward in the 1 minute. We want to be long. We want to be long. But we may be doing the range thing here, the way this is looking. So you get your dollar. I at this point in time, I would take your dollar. You get your dollar going up. But if you get out, let me know so I know, if, get an idea if you're out or in. Everybody has their own idea what they want to do. We're going up. We're looking strong in the 5 minute. We do not have a clean buy signal in the 5 minute, but we do in the 1 minute, and we're showing signs of weakness and indecision. Yeah, anybody there?
Yep, I just jumped on here. I am out at $1.
You made your buck.
Made my dollar, and I'm
Okay.
So
Good.
400.
Good job.
400 in, 400 out.
Excellent. Absolutely excellent. That's the way you make money, son.
Okay, I'm going on mute.
Okay, you're waiting for another opportunity, correct?
Yeah, I'll let you know if I jump off here. I'm up somewhere around $1,000. That might be enough for today.
I would say give it a break for today, because Grandpa wants to get off here too today, sometime.
Right. All right, I'm gonna check out. Good luck, guys.
So you adds up $1,000. That's
Yeah, I'll let you know at the end of the day exactly what it is, but
yeah.
around 1,000.
Okay, sounds good. Okay. Yep. Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Bye. That's my boy. Okay, so it's 11:36. Grandpa's supposed to quit, but I want to hang in here a little bit, at least until we. Pastor Keith, can you hear me? Talk to me if you can.
Okay.
Yeah, are you long still?
I'm still long.
Okay, and are you up? Are you up going along?
You broke up.
Are you up? Are you ahead on your?
I am.
Okay, what's your average going along?
214.22. As soon as you said start entering, I entered the full 50.
You gotta quit doing that, Pastor Keith. Okay, so anyway, you're up, and the 1 minute's looking. Who knows for sure, but if even with 50 cents or 75 cents, you might want to bail on this thing possibly, because I'm anticipating sideways here for a while, and you are in the green, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you might want to take your profits. Jeff, are you here too?
All right, I took my profit.
Good job. So you did good. You can continue on trading. You know that. We don't need Grandpa. Grandpa's going to probably give it up for the day. Ed really did good. Did you enjoy it, Pastor Keith?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm up 151, but I wasn't using the amount that I did Friday. So
Right, I understand that, and that's just fine. Think about this: if you did this 10 thing on Friday, it'd be $30 instead of 300 type of deal. You know what I'm
right,
talking about.
right.
So there's just Rome wasn't built in a day, and
Yeah, I jumped out.
Jeff, Jeff,
I jumped out. Yeah.
did you make a profit, Jeff?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so everybody's up. Everybody's up. Everybody's happy. Are you guys okay with Grandpa signing up? And
Have a good day, guys. I got to get out anyway. I'm that way.
uh,
Yes,
uh,
have a good day.
see you, Jeff. Pastor
See you
Keith.
guys.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go mow lawn.
That's fine. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you, and we'll see you. We'll talk later today, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Okay.
All right. God
She
bless.
that 1 minute is a cell signal right now, Pastor Keith. You already know that.
Yes, sir.
But and we have no buy signal in the 5 minute. It's looks like a bull flag. So
Yes, sir.
okay, be careful. Okay,
All right.
be
God bless.
be bye bye. Okay, hey, Grandpa's gonna get off here for the day. I hope everybody had fun. Grandpa did, and thank you for bearing with me. Uh, it was enjoyable. It was an enjoyable time. Okay, so think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does, and we'll see it. I'll do a live stream after the close and give you my thoughts on where we're going to open in the morning, and then we'll come on at around 9 or 9:15 a.m. tomorrow morning, and we'll do it again, and we'll see what Tesla's going to do tomorrow. So good luck in trading you're doing, and hopefully Grandpa will be beneficial for you tomorrow. Bye bye.